It was the last moon of December.
I've been expecting you.
What you talking about?
It's been foretold. Look into my crystal ball.
Buck flow with the speed of a bobsled. Bust lead to the head. Plus I stay red. Every time I think about the dead, I think about what Machiavelli said. Fight for the ones who bled. And this MC shit, we agree shit got out of hand. But they ain't stopped the plan. Ineffective. No respect for this, but my perspective is those who walk the path of the straight and narrow, we can rule the land like Pharaoh. Plus enjoy the bone to the marrow. Delicious. Eat a MC for breakfast to break fast. Shatter niggas' dreams like glass. I ask, how many niggas wanna get with this shit? Mix the booze and sit with this. It's what it sounds like.
This is what it sounds like when you're caught in the whirlwind. This is what it sounds like when you're caught in the whirlwind. This is what it sounds like when you're caught in the whirlwind.
I heard a lot of y'all try to diss the flex. Who the fuck I'm gonna scream on next? Is it you in the black truck moving with your gat stuck? Good, tried to follow Buck, but you got bad luck. Next time you get your bullshit clicked to try to hit me up fast. Don't give them gas, fuck if it's the past. I outlast the rest of them, shot the best of them. Who the fuck won the test of sun? Guns get developed in the war we fight. From the weakest to the strongest, man, I've been on tour for the longest at night. I used to dream about becoming a star when I first seen the microphone fiend the R in 86. And now I'm in the mix. And like the Black Street, I need a fix. So call up the doctor, it's time to rock you with the shit. So sit back, cause when I hear it beat by these niggas, man, I flip it.
This is what it sounds like when you're caught in the whirlwind. This is what it sounds like.
Heard these niggas underground making beats in caves, mining beats, working like slaves, eating like kings, doing their thing. I had to get with this shit. A nigga like me as an MC, these niggas with beats bound to be trees. I used to hear beats, bump with the bass line, and one thing I never did was waste time. Rhyme after rhyme, I got tired of MCs coming with weak shit. Damn, you need the BDB, so I give it to you in the form of this. Not an alcoholic, but I sip liquid lyrics to put me in the mood to bug out, bug out. Lyrically, evict the weak, you can get the fuck out when I speak. I roll a L first. I'm thinking about this earth and how we walk this hell first. I hold on to this rap shit. See, it's the world of me. Music lets me be free. It's the only true girl for me. I'm representing for my 1, 2, 3, 5 FT, Buckshot, and Evil D. You knew that I was coming for MCs. Knots came out and showed how weak your MCs got. Kid, I got a lot, but I'ma save it for later. You tell me who's greater when they rock with beat.
This is